guys, so we are back again with a brand new video, and today guys I'll be teaching you guys on how to create an AFK fish farm. So all you need is a chest and hopper, fence, call this ladder, then water, and then pressure plate. So yeah, wait, let me remove all these mobs. Yeah. So let's get started. First, we need to destroy 3 blocks. Put the 2 chests, put a hopper beside it, and put fence, then a pressure. Oh shit! Pressure plate and it. Then wait, let me put it below. There we go. Then that one. Oh wait, no. Oh damn, a trap door. I forgot about the trap door. Any trap door you want. Put one. Close it. So that the water won't go in. And the bottom up or the top, then the water, see, then the fishing rod. Let's test this out. So we're gonna wait. So I just found this on YouTube, so I'm just recreating it on how to create it on in PE, Minecraft PE. So I hope you like, and yeah, let's just wait if we can get 1 fish. Yeah, see, I got it. Huh? Oh, there. Ooh, wait, I'm so done. There. Let's try this one more time. There we go. And is that the fish? I think it's a fish. Yeah, we really need it. So let's see it works. So that's all for today. I hope you like, subscribe, turn on notification bell so that you won't miss any cool videos. And yeah, see you in my next video.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one.